Dear students, now I am going to start for the new chapter after the completion of the set theory. Now I am going to start for the what? The relations. So as we know, in generally the relations in our society is like the relationship between in a college, the relationship between a teacher and the student and the clerk with the principal. So like that, we see in our society so many relations are there. So likewise also in mathematics also we are giving the relation between the numbers, the relation between some operations like that you are going to be studying. But before going to be study for the relations, first we are going to be learn is about the one ordered pairs. Ordered pairs. So what is the meaning of nothing but the pairs? Pairs is nothing but the two things or the two numbers. When I consider the two numbers or the two elements as A and B, we are going to be write this one as what the ordered in terms of the ordered pairs. In terms of the what the ordered pairs is that we are going to be writing open interval of what A, B. Don't write the ordered pair in terms of the what in the square bracket. This is the wrong one. You should have to write the ordered pairs of A, B is nothing but the ordered pairs of AB. We can write the ordered pairs of AB is nothing but open interval of A, B. So like that we have to be ready. This is nothing but what? The ordered pairs of A and B. AB is of elements what? A and B. So ordered pairs of A, we are going to use the two numbers or the two elements. If I take the A and B in ordered pairs of the ordered pairs of AB, we are going to be write like this, that is A open interval A, B of the elements of A and B ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದ್ರಿ ಕರಿಬಹುದು. Getting the next thing is about this one is the next thing is about what? Here in the ordered pair, the first element is what? In the ordered pairs of AB, the first element and the second element. So ಇದು ಓದುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಓದಬೇಕು ordered pair of AB ಇಲ್ಲ pair of AB ಅಂತ ಓದಬಹುದು. ಇದು ಏನು ಅಂತ ಓದೋದು pair of AB. Here the first element is what? First element ಯಾವುದು A and the second element is what? B. This is nothing but what? Ordered pairs of AB. Ordered pairs of AB ಒಳಗೆ first element is A, second element is B. Getting? So by pausing the video, you should have to note of the notes. Okay. The next one, equality of ordered pairs. Equality of ordered pairs. Equality ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾವು two things ತಗೋಬೇಕು. I consider ನಾನು ಎರಡು ordered pairs ತಗೋತೀನಿ. Consider two ordered pairs as ಯಾವುದು ತಗೋತೇವೆ ಅಂತ A1 B1 ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೇವೆ and A2 B2 ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೇವೆ. When we can say that these two ordered pairs are said to be equal. ಈ two ordered pairs ಅನ್ನ equal ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು? ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ A1 B1 is equal to A2 B2. ಇವೆರಡು equal ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ನಾವು? When first element is equal to the first element. When first element is equal to the first element and second element is equal to the second element. So this is nothing but what? The equality of the ordered pairs. So equality of the ordered pairs ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 1 marks ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Getting? In the equality of the ordered pairs, they are going to be asked one simple example for the what? The 1 marks they are going to be asked. Equality of ordered pairs ನಾವು ಎರಡು ordered pairs ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Pair of A1 B1 and pair of A2 B2. So when we can say that these two ordered pairs are equal, when first element is equal to the first element and second element is equal to the second element. Getting? So this is nothing but what? The ordered pairs. So relations ಗಳನ್ನು ordered pairs ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿಬೇಕು. So without the ordered pairs we cannot define for the what? Relation. The relation is totally depending on the what? Ordered pairs. Totally ordered pair. Pair ಅನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ? The pair of A is nothing but open interval of A. When A is first element, B is second element. So two order equality of ordered pairs ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? When two ordered pairs are said to be equal, ಎರಡು ordered pair ತಗೊಂಡೇನೆ. So ನಾನು ಏನಂತ ಬಂದಿ? The first element is equal to the first element and the second element is equal to the second element. Then only we can say that these two ordered pairs are equal. Okay? So depending on the equality of the ordered pairs, I will solve simple examples. There are simple examples on the personally. If example number 1, only for order, equality of order pairs. If x plus 2 comma y plus 3 is equal to 4 comma 2, find x and y. Find the value of x and y. Okay. Here is also in the form of the ordered pair of A. A is nothing but x plus 2, B is nothing but y plus 2. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು? x1 y1 equal to x2, x1 equal to x2, y1 equal to x1 equal to x2, y1 equal to y2. So, ಇದಷ್ಟು change, letters ಅಷ್ಟು change, but property remains same. Getting? Okay. So here the first element is equal to first element, that is x plus 2 is equal to 4, and second element is equal to second element, that is y plus 3 is equal to 1. First element is equal to first element, second element is equal to second. Then x is equal to what? 4 minus 2 is 2. Y is equal to what? 3 minus 2 is 1. So this is nothing but what? This is nothing but what? Your order. Okay. Next example number 2. So it has one question कहता है 1 marks, very simple. You have to compare the equality the first element with the first element and the second element with the second element. That is nothing but what? The equality of ordered pairs. Next one. If x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3, find x and y. Find x and y. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದು ನಡು ಕಾಮನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್. ಪೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ತಿಳಿತ್ರಿ? ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್. That is in the open interval. O shape naga. O ordered pair of AB. Ordered pair of AB like that. You have to be right. Okay. So already we mentioned that these two ordered pairs are equal. Here the ordered pair equal is the first element is equal to the first element. That is x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3. Next one. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವುದು? y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So first element is the first element is equal to second element is equal to the second element. Okay. So here we have to find out for the x and y. First I will take this plus 1 to the RHS. x by 3 is equal to 1. 5 by 3 minus 1. By taking the LCM is 3. 1 into 3 is 3. That is x by 3 is equal to 5 minus 3 divided by 3. 3 get cancelled. That x equal to how much? That is, this is the value of x. Next, here I will take that minus 2 by 3 to the RHS, then y is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. LCM is 3. We can add the numerator term, that is 1 plus 2 divided by 3. That is 3 divided by 3 is nothing but 1. So the value of x is 2 and the value of y is nothing but the 1. So this is nothing but what? The equality of the ordered pairs. ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವ್ರಿ? Equality of the ordered pairs ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. So these are the ordered pairs are very important. Takes place while you are learning of the what? The concept relations. Getting? Okay. So the next one. This is also very important. The ordered pair side. Next we are going to be learning about the what? We are going to be learning about the what? The Cartesian product. Cartesian product. Cartesian product. This is a very important concept because this Cartesian product is also very important while learning from the what? The relations. So without the ordered pair and the Cartesian product, we cannot learn the relations properly. Okay. So here I consider the two sets. What I do? Consider the two sets. Two non-empty sets. Non-empty sets. Set full empty ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. Two non-empty sets A and B such that consider two non-empty sets A and B such that the Cartesian product is denoted as the what? A into B. The Cartesian product is denoted as the so into madhya ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು multiple sign ಬರಬೇಕು. That A into B is a pair of AB where A is belongs to set A, comma B is belongs to set B. ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ this Cartesian product. Second year ಒಳಗೂ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. The Cartesian product. Getting? ನೋಡಿ ಬಹಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ. A into B ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೇವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ pair of AB. ಈ A ಯಾವ ಸೆಟ್ ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇರ್ತದೆ? This first element is from the first set. This second element is from the what? Second set. Step. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. This first element A belongs to set A. This second element is belongs to the set B. By solving one simple example ತಗೋತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ what is mean by the what? The Cartesian product. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ Cartesian product. If A is equal to set A is equal to 1 to 3 ತಗೊಂಡು set B is equal to ನಾನು ಏನು ತಗೋತೀನಿ A B ತಗೋತೀನಿ. Getting? Then what is the Cartesian product of A into B is ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವು? ಎರಡು ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ? AB ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ. ಮೂರು ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಆಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ನೋಡಿ Cartesian product of ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಟ್ ಇದೆ? Only two set. Two set means we are going to write in the form of ordered pair AB ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ. ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೂರು ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? ABC ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ. Getting? That how to write for the Cartesian product of the A into B ನೋಡಿ. A into B is equal to first set A ಬರೀರಿ 1, 2, 3 into B is A, B. ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 1 into A is A. No. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಾಗ ಬರೀಬೇಕ್ರಿ? We should have to be write in the form of Cartesian product ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Those are nothing but the ordered pairs. The Cartesian product is nothing but what? Ordered pairs. We should have to be right in terms of what? The ordered pairs. That is AB ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. That first element is from the first set, second element is from second set. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. First element ತಗೋದು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ordered pair ಮಾಡೋದು? ಎಲ್ಲ set B ordered pair ನೋಡಿ. Ordered pair this is nothing but AB. First from first set, second from second set. Okay. 1, A. ಹಂಗ ತಗೋರಿ 1, B. ನೋಡಿ first is from first set, second is from second set. Next ಒಂದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Next ordered pair. Second element ತಗೋರಿ ಇದನ್ನ ordered pair ಮಾಡಿ. Third ತಗೋರಿ ಇದನ್ನ ordered. Next 2, A. 2, B. Next 3, A. Next 3, this is nothing but what? Ordered pair of A into B. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ordered pair of A into B and B into A ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್ 2 in 3 into 2 ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದ 3 into 2 into 3 ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಸೈನ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. That is nothing but what? Cartesian product. That is nothing but the multiplication between the two sets. These are not the multiplication between the two sets. These are the Cartesian product. Cartesian product of A and B. ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? We are going to write in terms of A, B, not A, B, A, B, A, B. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. First from this node 1, 2, 3 are from first set. A, B. A, B are from second set. First 1, 2, 3 are from first set. A, note A ಮತ್ತು B. A and B are from second set. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾವು ಏನು ತಗೋತೀವಿ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ if I am going to write down for the B into A, first B set ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Getting? First B set is A, B into then A is 1, 2, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿ A B ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ? That is ordered pair. In terms of ordered pairs we should have to be right. Getting? We have to be right in terms of ordered pairs. Getting? That is A first ತಗೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ordered pair ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು. A, 1 compulsory open interval. A, 2 A, 3. Getting? Comma. Next A into B. B, 1. B, 2. Next B, 3. So this is nothing but the Cartesian product of A into A. The first element ಯಾವುದು A ಮತ್ತು B are from set B and 1, 2, 3 are from set A. So ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು A into B is not is equal to B into A. So this is nothing but what? The Cartesian product of the A into B, B into A. Getting? One more example I will take from the what the Cartesian product. Okay. So by pausing the video, you should have to note down the notes. Okay. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು example ತಗೋತಾನೆ. This is a very important Cartesian product is nothing but we should have to be write out from the ordered pairs. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು example ತಗೋತೀನಿ ನಾನು. A is equal to A, B, C, D and B is equal to that is 1, 2, 3. Then find A into B, A into A, B into A into A ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. The Cartesian product of A into A ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, B into B ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, C into C ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay. So here first A into D ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we should have to be right in terms of the ordered pairs of A, B. It is A, B, C, D. This is set A into ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು A belongs to set A. B is ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ set A ಒಳಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದಾವೆ. set B ಏನೈತ್ರಿ 1, 2, 3. Getting? So how to write down for the A into B? ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು set ಇದಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we are going to write down AB, 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 A. ಆಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಬರ್ದಲ್ಲ ತಿಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ A ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ A, 1, A, 2, A, 3, A, 1, A, 2, A, 3. This first set. Sorry, the element A is from set A. 1, 2, 3 from set. Next. ಮುಗಿತು. Next B 1, B 2, B 3. Correct. Next C1. Next C2, C3. Correct. Next D1, D2, D3. So this is nothing but more. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಇದಾವ ಅಂತ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಎರಡೆರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ordered pairs are two elements we have. Getting? So this is nothing but what? A into B ಆಯ್ತು. So A into A ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ B into A, that is your homework. A into A ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ A ಸೆಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. A B C D here I write A. Set A is A B C D again into A B C. Then we have to write again it for the word A B C D. Here we have the multiplication of the two sets. It means Cartesian product of two sets. What is A into A? A comma A, A comma B, A comma C, A comma D. Next B comma A, B comma B, C comma C. I am sorry, B comma C. Next B comma P. Next row C comma A, C comma B, C comma C, C comma B. Next D comma A, D comma B, B comma C, and D comma B. So this is nothing but what? The ordered pair of A into A. The homework is for you is what? B into A no madri, B into B no madri. So this is what the homework for you people for the ordered pair of what? A into B and A into A. So the homework is B into A into A1 months or B into A1 madri. Amala B into B. So idrolage ಎಷ್ಟು ordered pairs ಇದಾವೆ ನೋಡಿ. That is 4 into 3. That is 12 ordered pairs. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ. That is here we have the 4 element into 4 element. We have the ordered pairs elements are 16. Like that. Getting? So this is nothing but the ordered pairs. So there they have given. So by pausing the video, we should have to note down all the notes. So they have given some important notes that you should have to know. And you should have to be noted down. Okay. The note one is nothing but note one for copy. Note one. A to A is equal to, that is the pair of A comma X comma Y barabar is the pair of A kada. This is also change. Property remains same. So you can put any elements of the English alphabet. The small elements you should have. New better L M togoli. Your favorite A yes togoli, A R togoli, but you should have to use the small letters. Getting? Okay, that is pair of X1. The X first element element set A, second element set A. For what we can derive? X belongs to A and Y belongs to again A only. B into B madidra X comma Y, X belongs to B, Y belongs to B. Okay? Okay. The second one is in general, in general, A to B is not equal to B. Whenever you are going to be do for the what the Cartesian product of the A into B, it is always been not equal to what? B into A. The third one. If A is equal to 5 or B is equal to 5, then A into B also is equal to 5. One of the set is having null set and you are going to be do the Cartesian product, then the Cartesian product is always is equal to what? 5. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಇದೆ null set ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. If A into ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ null set ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ you can be A into 5 and write it as again the 5. The second set is null set or the null set with the one more non-empty set. Then if you do the Cartesian product, then A into that any set is a null set is equal to is again we get the null set. Okay, these are the important now. Getting one more. The Cartesian product. This is the third one, and the fourth one is very important that you are going to be learn. The fourth one is very important, and so many times depending on this property they are to be asked the example. The Cartesian product of three sets. This is the most important. The third one. The Cartesian product of three sets. The Cartesian product of three sets A, B and C, A comma B, and from set C is now when we remove the Cartesian product of A, B, C and A into B into C. ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಮೂರು ಸೆಟ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವು ಮೂರು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ A, B, C ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. This is nothing but A, B, C. That is order triplets ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಏನಂತೇವೆ? Order triplets. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ order pairs. Pairs ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2, triplets ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3. This ನೋಡಿ. The first element A is from set A. The second element B is from set B, and third element C is from set C. ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ set to small ಬರೆದಿದ್ದು elements. So the Cartesian product of A into B into C is nothing but triple or ordered triplet. That is ordered triplet. That is A is from first set, B is from second set, C is from third set. That is nothing but this is the Cartesian product of the what? The three sets. Getting two sets ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ A B ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರು ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕ್ರಿ? That is ABC that like that we should have to getting. So there two examples I will solve, and the remaining portion I will be continuing in the next class. Okay, so two simple examples I am going to be solving here. So this one, the first one you can do in home. The first one you can do in home. If set B is equal to m comma n and q is equal to n comma m, find p into q and q into 3 and q into q. And one more, you should have to find out for the q into q. This is the homework for you. Okay. The next one, second one. If this is a very simple area. If set A is equal to 1 comma 2, B is equal to 3 comma 4, then what is the value of A into B into 5? What is A into in the bracket B into 5? So if I take that is A into, if any set is going to be do the Cartesian product with the null set in the number of the null. If A is 5 or B is 5, even 5 into 2 multiplied is again 5, or A into 5 multiplied is again 5. So B into 5 is again what? 5. Then what is A into 5 again? 5. So this is what the answer. Niಮಗೆ 1 marks ಗಾದು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಈ type questions. So they might be asked this type of the questions for the 1 marks. Okay. So these are the basic things about the Cartesian product. Okay, and the remaining examples I will continue with the next. So thank you.